1, 2, 3, 4.
Every day on my mind and I just can't get you out.
Hey guys, so this is going to be a really exciting video. I had so much fun filming it for one, but it's going to be an outfit, makeup, inspiration, date night ideas video. So kind of just everything for a date night. So whether you are a guy watching this or a girl, well, the outfit and the makeup and whatnot is directed for a girl. But if you're a guy and you want some date night ideas to do with your girl, then you can just kind of maybe scroll through to like the middle of the video and you guys can see some really great date night ideas. I mean, if you're a guy and you want to watch me get ready, then I guess there's nothing weird about that. But anyway, I hope that you guys will enjoy this video. Make sure to like it and subscribe down below and click the bell so that you can turn on notifications, and basically what that does is it notifies you when I post a new video. So if you guys don't know, I post Wednesdays and Fridays at 8 a.m. But just in case you forget, you can also get a notification on your phone so that way you don't miss one of my videos. I did have to use my friend to help me film some of this video, so shout out to her for helping me. But yeah, without further ado, let's just go ahead and get into the video. So for my hair, I usually just like to straighten it. I use my cheat iron that I got for Christmas. I really like how this iron straightens my hair and it's really smooth and everything. But also you'll see for one of the outfits, I twisted the sides back, and then the other outfit, I just put a braid in the back. I like to do something really simple. Those are kind of like my go-to hairstyles, would be just to like straighten it or twist the sides back or braid the sides back or something like that. But you guys could do something way more extravagant if you wanted to. And then moving on to makeup, excuse my absolutely terrible skills with the makeup in front of the camera because I literally cannot see anything. Hence why I'm not even really looking at the lens because I cannot see a thing without my glasses. So my concealer, I'm just using Maybelline, and I had to like redo it off camera because again I did a horrible job. And then I'm using this eyeshadow palette that I got from American Eagle. It's by BH Cosmetics, and so I'm just using the light color, and then I'm using a bit of a darker shimmery color, and then I'm using a kind of pink / red shimmery color for the darkest one. So I like to use 3 different colors, and then I didn't show you guys what it looked like because I totally forgot. So you guys will see that in just a minute. But then I'm just using this L'Oreal, or L'Oreal, however you say it, eyeliner, and it's just black, and I don't like that eyeliner all that much. I wouldn't recommend it, but I bought it, and so now I feel like I have to use it. And I did put it on a little bit thicker than I normally would, but I don't always put eyeliner on because I don't really like to put it on. It's the hardest thing for me to get off of my face, so yeah, I don't usually put it on, but for this I did. And then I'm adding some blush to my cheeks, and again, can't see anything, so I don't know what I'm doing, but I did fix everything off camera. Then I'm just using the Full Lash Bloom by CoverGirl mascara for my eyelashes, obviously. And also, I'm sorry that I didn't really show like me putting my makeup on camera. Literally, if I would have gouged my eyeball out, not even joking. It would have been really bad, and that's really disgusting, so we don't want to see that. My first outfit is a little bit more edgy, but the black jacket is from Races, the crisscross cami is from Rue 21, my black jeans are from American Eagle, and my black boots are from Kohl's by Gotta Flirt. My next outfit is kind of casual, but still a little bit dressy. My white tennis shoes are from American Eagle, my skinny jeans are by the brand Silver Jeans, and then my tank top is from Races. My hair is just twisted back.
Do you remember me standing in a nice dress, staring at the sunset? Red lips and rosy cheeks. I know I'll see you again, even if it's just in my wildest dreams.
My third outfit is definitely more on the casual side, but I just have a button-up which has sequins on the shoulders, and it's actually just from Justice. I've had it for a long time. And then I have a long feather necklace on with that from Maurice's. My jeans are from Silver. Again, or the brand Silver, and then my tennis shoes are black and white Nikes. Very simple, but I really like them. So that is my third and final outfit. So guys, that's it for this video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. I worked really hard on it, and I had so much fun filming it and editing it and all of that great stuff. But yeah, I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to like it and subscribe down below, and let me know in the comments below what you guys are doing for Valentine's Day. Again, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Remember to love always, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!